Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to track your orders on Temu. So first you just have to launch your Temu application here. Make sure that your account is verified. So you have to log in your account. If you don't have an account yet, then you have to sign up. So if you want to see your orders here on Temu, then what you're going to do is you have to click this U icon right here. Once you tap this, it will take you to your account. You just have to click this Your Orders and you will see here all orders, processing, shipped, and delivered. So in case that you can see your orders right here, what you get to do is you have to scroll down and click this self-service find order. And first you have to enter your phone number. So that's the reason why I told you earlier, you must be verified here in Temu. So you can search or find your order in case it's not there in all orders. You can first provide order ID to find order. So order ID, you have to click this one and continue. Second, provide your phone. Third, provide your email address. Okay, so for example, I'm going to type my email address here and then find order. Then you will see your orders on Temu. And then a last one we have here, provide payment information to find orders. So just provide your payment information as a proof that you have purchased this order. So basically, these are the ways and how to find your orders on Temu. Aside from going to all orders, you can search us through providing order ID, phone number, email, and payment information. As easy as that. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.